In two arithmetic progressions of same common difference, the difference of terms in the same positions are same everywhere. To find the nth term of an AP, if the first term is A and common difference is D, the formula is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. We discussed some applications. The 10th question very simple. The 17th term of an arithmetic progression is exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Very simple question. It only takes 4 or 5 steps. Okay. It says that the 17th term of an arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find its common difference. We only need to find its common difference. Okay. So 17th term we can denote by A17. Okay. So 17th term is equal to A17 is equal to the 10th term, that is A10 plus 7. So from this statement we can write this equation. A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. Okay. And from this equation we can find out the common difference. What is A17? We know A17 is first term plus 16D. Am I right? The 17th term is A, the first term plus 16D. N minus 1 here means 17 minus 1. That is 16D. And A10 in this progression, A10 is equal to first term A plus 9D, right? 9D and plus 7. Okay, so equation becomes like this. Now you can cancel A in both sides and you move the 9D into left side. So 16D minus 9D, it will become how many D's? 7D. 7D is equal to 7. So D will be equal to, next step what will be, the into 7 you can move to right side. So 7 by 7, that is equal to 1. Okay. So we got the common difference. So very simple. So in 4 steps or 5 steps you can conclude the answer. Okay. And next question, the 11th question. Which term of the arithmetic progression will be 132 more than the 54th term? Okay. Which term of this arithmetic progression will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay, so let AN be the term which is 132 more than the 54th term. Okay, so you can write like this: AN is equal to let AN be that term. AN is equal to 54th term, that is A54 plus 132. Okay, and you want to find the n, the value for n. And for that, here better you calculate the common difference first. What will be the common difference for the sequence? What will be the common difference? 12. Okay. So here you can write A54 plus, write 132 as the multiple of 12. How many 12s are 132? How many 12s are 132? 11 12s. Okay, 11 12s are 132. So that is A54 plus 11. 12 means 11D. 12 is the common difference. So we want to add 11 times the common difference to the 54th term to get that term, the AN. Okay. So what will be the position number of AN?
65.
65, right. So 65th term will be 132 more than the 54th term. So next question, two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th terms? Can you say the answer? Very simple question, direct question. Common difference are same.
100.
Yes, right answer. Okay. If you get two arithmetic progressions of same common difference, the difference between terms in the same positions will be equal everywhere. Okay, for an example, I write one example 5 10, 15, etc. with common difference 5. I write another sequence with common difference 5, that is 7, 12, then 17, etc. If you take the term difference in the first position, 7 minus 5 is 2. If you take the term difference of the second position, 12 minus 10 is 2, and it goes like this. Everywhere you will get to that 2 as the difference. Okay, so in this sequence, in this given sequence, it's given that the difference of two sequences are the first sequence we can denote by A, so A 100, and second sequence we can represent by B, so B 100. The difference is given that 100. So if you move the sequence like this, the difference between A 1000 and B 1000 will be again the same.
100.
Yes, 100 will be the difference. Okay, so the idea we applied here is in sequences of same common difference, the difference of terms in the same positions are same everywhere.